Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to share with you which I have done one of the practical projects that I have done using the Microsoft speech to text API services. This API service exactly converts any audio file into a text format. It's a very powerful API that is given by Microsoft, and it can be used in a lot of formats. Okay, so I have done it in one of my current projects, and I'd like to share my experience with you. So let us see first what this actually looks like. Okay, well, I have created a Node.js application over here, and I have set up iExpress API, REST API, so that I can show it to you. So if you click the send button, if you wait for a little bit of time, just a bit, it will convert the audio files into a text format exactly over here. Okay, so now it has been converting the audio file into a text, and this is the text of my one of my YouTube data. Okay, so if you go into this, there is the audio file, and it only support WAV file. It will not convert any kind of MP3 or other formats, MP4 formats. It will only convert WAV file because these files are raw files. Okay, so now coming to the code part, it is very straightforward. I have imported the FS function, the express function, and obviously the Microsoft Cognitive Speech SDK. This is the SDK that I am going to use exactly. This SDK takes two parameters. One is the secret key, another is the region. You have to generate these things from the when you register for this speech to text API. Exactly, you will get those things. Once this object has been created, you can use this object and this audio configurations that has been taking from the SDK audio configuration from WAV file to input exactly with the data. So data has been coming from the public audio files.wav, but you can also take the input directly from the microphone itself. If you take the input from the microphone itself, it will convert take these audios and send this to the speech to text API, and this will whole convert the data in a real-time scenario. So it is very useful nowadays, because a lot of things like articles can be converted into audio files as well. So this is a very useful service, and this is a very straightforward return type, actually result dot status and rest data dot result dot data text exactly. So it has been returning in a JSON format, and that is what we can see over here exactly. Now coming to the documentation, here is a lot of languages that can be used for this exactly. And coming for the SDK, if you go on the speech SDK section and install the speech SDK, here you will get the details. I will give all the details and links on the YouTube description. Do check it out. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.